pinirmahan kang contract ng endorsement. Pag-ilan mo na yan?
This is my third endorsement, but it's the first time na as aesthetic naman, skin aesthetic.
Ano ba yung iba pa?
The first one is Casino Plus and the second one po is Rose.
Itong, ano pangalan itong ngayon?
Ngayon naman ay Glass Skin.
Wow. So pag ganun ba, ramdam na ramdam mong artista ka na talaga?
Yes, opo. Not being an artist, but I feel blessed. I think 2024, ito na yun, and I'm getting a lot of endorsements, and I hope this is my year.
Yes.
And everyone's year.
Tsaka, ang magandang balitang nabalitaan ko, mag-mainstream ka na.
Yes, opo.
Pwede na bang konting teaser about it?
Actually, what happened was, it's a bit tragic. Kaya I think pa-mainstream ako. Dahil 4 years of doing sexy films. The first year was very challenging. It's my first year na pag-aartista. And second year was fun. And third year was kind of a bit patagal na patagal yung paggawa ko ng movie. Yung mga nagpa-partner sa akin na may mga recent partners ko na hindi nila alam paano i-handle yung scenes. Kaya I think some of them are nadadala. Yung mga iba naman, nahaharas na ako ilang beses. Kaya may time na napunta na nagkaroon na ako ng alopecia. I think it's still here. Ngayon yung alopecia. Kaya, na-stress po ako na hindi ko na siya nai-enjoy. And I talked with Boss Vic na, boss, I think ito na po yung year ko na baka naman give me a chance to be on the mainstream. And I think sabi naman ni Boss na okay naman na.
Just meron lang parang may project na.
I hope so, pero as of now wala po.
Hindi pa pwede sabihin. Ayun. Anyway, so, paano mo naman nire-ready yung transitioning mo dyan sa mainstream?
Actually, I'm just very excited na mag-mainstream. Kaya I don't think, siguro sa sobrang excited, adrenaline rush na lang. Pagpunta doon, like, surprise! Nandito na ako, I got it!
Sana makita ka din namin sa mga parang teleserye, ganyan.
I hope so.
Parang rin.
Claiming na, manifesting na.